Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers, and based on it we are doing worksheet number 6, and we have done 4 questions of this worksheet. Now today we will do some more questions of this multiplication of two-digit numbers by two-digit number so that it will be clear to you. Let us do the first part, that is 35 multiplied by 36. So what we have learned yesterday, to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, first of all there are 3 steps total. In first step we have to multiply the number by the digit at ones place. So here is 35. We have to multiply this 35 by digit at ones place, that is 6. So you know how to multiply. First of all, multiply 6 by 5, that is digit at ones place. So 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over. Then multiply this 6 by tens place. 6 3s are 18, and 18 plus 3 is 21. And now in second step we have to multiply this 35 by the digit at tens place. Now here what is at tens place? 3. So now we have to multiply 35 by 3. But I have told you that you have to keep it in mind one thing, that before multiplying digit at tens place we have to put 0 or cross over here. Cross also means 0. Now why we are putting this, that I have told you in previous video. Now that this 3 is multiplied by the digit at ones place, that is 5. So 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1 carry over, and then 3 3 are 9 plus 1 is 10. Now I hope that both of these steps are clear to you. First of all we will multiply this 35 by digit at ones place and then by digit at tens place, and when we multiply it by digit at tens place we have to put cross or 0 at ones place. So now the third step. In third step we have to add these two products. This is our last step, and here we have to add. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 1. So our answer is 1260. Let us do one more question. I will do ninth part, because I will not do all the parts. You have to do the remaining parts. You have to do the practice. Now here the ninth part, that is 50 multiplied by 99. Now write down 50. There are two options. You can write 99 multiplied by 50 or 50 multiplied by 99. Both are same. But right now you can write like this. Okay. 50 multiplied by 99. So here we have to multiply 50 by digit at ones place, then digit at tens place. So now 9 zeros are 0, and then 9 fives are 45. Now we have to, this is our first step. Now in second step we have to multiply this number 50 by 9. Again the same number, but the thing is we have to put cross or 0 at ones place. This is the most important step, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now 9 multiply this 50 by digit at tens place. Again it is 9. So 9 zeros are 0 and 9 5s are 45. The same answer will come. Now the third step, we have to add these two products. Add them. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4. That is 4950. So this is the answer. So in this way we can solve these problems. Now today we will learn how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Till now we are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number, and now we will multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit number. Although the steps are same, there is nothing new in it. So let us do some questions based on it. Now we will learn how to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Now we have worksheet number 7 based on it. Here in worksheet 7 we have to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Now the question is, find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. Now first question is 234 multiplied by 28. Now you can see here in previous questions we are multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number, but here we have to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Now let us start the question. So it is 234 multiplied by 28. Now here also the steps are same. First of all, we have to multiply this 234 by digit at ones place, that is 8, and then we multiply 234 by the digit at tens place, that is 2, and then in third step we will add the two products. So here we'll start the question. In the same way, multiply 8 by 4 first. So 8 4s are 32. 3 carry over. Now we will multiply this 8 by tens place. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 is 27. Now 8 will multiply 8 by 100 place. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 is 18. So there is nothing new. We have to multiply in the same way, first by ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. Now we have to multiply this 234 by the digit at tens place. So what is here at tens place? It is 2. We'll cut these carryovers. Now what is in the second step? We have to put cross or 0 at ones place, most important thing. Now start multiplying 234 by 2. First of all multiplied by ones place, then tens, then 100. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. Now what is our third step? Yes, add these two products. This is our last step. Now we have to add these products. Now add them. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry over 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 1 is again 15. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6552. So here it is same as we have done in the previous worksheet. The only thing is here the thing is 3-digit number. Otherwise, it is same. Let us take some more examples. Question number 2. 453 multiplied by 16. Multiply it. 453 multiplied by 16. Now, first step, again it has 3 steps. First step, we have to multiply it by digit at ones place, that is 6. So 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over, and then 6 5s are 30, plus 1 is 31, 3 carry over, then 6 4s are 24, plus 3 is 27. Now what is our next step? Very important thing that we have to keep it in mind when multiplying with tens place, that is putting cross at ones place. You can also write 0, that I have told you, 0 or cross. Next, 1, then multiply it. 1 3 is a 3, 1 5 is a 5, and 1 4 is a 4. Now what is our third step? Yes, our third step is to add these two products. Add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 carry over. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So this is the answer, 7,248. So in this way you can multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Let us do one more question. Then now you have 2 days off, so you can complete these worksheet numbers 6 and 7, the remaining parts of worksheet 6 and 7, and you can do practice, because you know that maths need practice, and without practice it is very difficult to understand the maths. And secondly, learn the tables by heart, that I am repeating again and again. We will do 9th part again. 9th part. Here the question is 275 multiplied by 29. Now 275 multiplied by 29. Again, same thing. Multiply 275 by 9 first, then 275 by 2, digit at tens place. Then in third step we have to add the two products. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry over. 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 4 is 60, 7, 6 carry over. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. Now what is our next step? We have to multiply 275 by digit at tens place. So what we have to do? We have to put cross at ones place. Now we will multiply 275 by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over. Then 2 7s are 14, plus 1 is 15, 1 carry over again. Now 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. Now the third step, add them. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So here we have the answer, that is 7,975. So I hope that it is clear how to multiply a number by 2-digit number. Now your assignment is try to finish this worksheet number 6 and 7. Remaining parts of 6 and 7. Thank you.